Hi, I'm Glenn. I'm the greens guy here at the Glasshouse Nursery in Chatham. This is our greens workshop, more or less. Let's have a word with Darlene. Oh, you're making some really wonderful pots here, Darlene. What's on the go?
We've got two different styles actually. We make a round pot and a flat-sided pot.
See the real variety of greens and so on in. And you're telling me these are actually only $49.99 for a naked pot?
Yes, that's right.
So we can got naked pots, we got some that are decorated as well?
Yes, we do.
Well, let's go have a look. Why don't we have a look on the outside? Dozens and dozens of pots, both naked pots and decorated. So if you don't want to buy a naked pot and decorate it yourself, you can start from the scratch actually. We've got a bundle set up here. You can buy the pot with the oasis in it. You can buy a complete bundle of greens. This is everything you need to make an outdoor arrangement. And actually, if you buy the pot and the greens together, you're actually going to save about $15 and you get a chance to make your own pot. And if you have children or grandchildren, this is probably a good weekend activity for you. They would love to give a hand decorating your pots, creating something for Christmas. Let's have a look down this way. We also have all sorts of different varieties of greens, like incense cedar, noble pine tips, white pine, princess pine. One of my favorites, of course, is the western cedar, beautiful long golden green branches. And we don't just chop this down the forest somewhere on the side of the road. We actually have suppliers, professional growers in both West Coast and Northern Ontario that we purchase these from. Another thing I want to show you, look at these huge, massive, beautiful urns that we created for the entrance to the storeway. Now both Peter, I, and Darlene do this. If you've got an urn you want us to go and decorate for you, for your home or for your business, just give us a call. We'd be glad to come out and quote you a price on it. We're going to take a look inside now and see what Peter's up to. We're back inside again with Peter, one of our designers. We're going to have beautiful custom range. This was sold?
Yes, it is.
All right, well, we can make many, many more for you. Now, if you feel just a little bit intimidated by the idea of making your own arrangement, don't worry about it. Pick up a copy of our seasonal magazine or go on our website. We have all sorts of courses. We can teach you how to do them. Here's a retired toboggan, how to decorate a wreath. On the next page, how to make an arrangement in a welcome basket. And we teach these courses to you. So again, thanks for letting us come and talk to you today. I'm Glenn, I'm the greens guy here at the Glasshouse Nursery.